So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove an employee specifically, how you could remove an employee or someone that has a partial access to your Meta business portfolio. So basically, we're going to show you how to remove a user from your Meta business portfolio. If you notice, we are calling it all the names people would or could identify it as, okay? And also, you could also remove an admin via the same method, but take note, in some cases, they might need to get an additional approval from the second admin, okay? But this doesn't always happen. Even if you have more than two admin, in some cases, it might not happen, but in some cases, it would, okay? But if you're the only admin on that particular business portfolio, then there's no problem. You can remove any employee or anybody or any user with partial access to your Meta business portfolio. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. And visit the description section. We always have valuable information for you. We're also going to add how you could add your employee to your Meta business portfolio in the description section of this video. So let's jump in and show you how you could remove another user from a Meta business portfolio on Facebook. Let's jump right straight in. Business.facebook.com. You can also add /latest so that it specifically takes you to Meta Business Suite. All right. So we're going to show you how to remove a staff. So first thing first, you select the business portfolio you want to work on. So you click on this drop down at the top left. Then you select the business portfolio. So let's assume we are going to work on this one. So we select it. Don't forget what we're looking at for is business settings. This business settings icon. So you click on it, then it's going to take you to Meta Business Portfolio. Okay, firstly, let's verify. All right, so after you make it, you select the staff you want to remove. So let's say, for example, want to remove this staff. Okay. So all you need to do is to click on these three dots beside that particular staff's name. Then you click on remove from business portfolio. So it's very easy. Then you click on remove. So take note, if it's an admin you're removing, you might need a double verification. So take, for example, another admin might need to approve. So you can see the person has been removed successfully. All right. So this is how to remove a staff from your Meta business portfolio. Maybe you sacked the staff or something happened or the account of the staff was hacked and so on. So take note. So in some cases, if it's another admin, you would have to also send this video to your second admin. Also send this video to your second admin. Maybe you want them to remove, maybe you want them to approve the removal from that person. It might even be yourself. Okay, so for them to, in order for them to approve the request, once they make it to this place, all they need to do is to scroll down and go to request. So once they come to request, they are going to see it here, and then they follow suit. Okay, so they can respond just as you're seeing this one that is being sent here. You see a request here, then you respond. You either accept or decline. Now, if you want to leave a business portfolio, you no longer want to have access to this, I'm going to show you how to do that. So you click on business info. Okay, then you scroll down to the bottom. Then you click on leave. So this is how to leave a business portfolio. Once you click on leave, you follow the on-screen instruction and leave. All right. So if you leave, they might also notify another admin to approve it. So don't forget, the person only has to come here to approve this request. So take note, in some cases, you might be required to have another admin before you'll be able to leave if you're the only admin. So see you guys in our next video, and bye for now. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this.